Before we begin, I want to tell you about our daily newsletter. Be sure to sign up to get the latest in construction news.
My name is Emily Pagura. I'm a product marketing manager at John Deere, and I'm here today to talk about the updates to the John Deere Backhoe for 2025. Before we dive into what's new, I want to cover what's not changing. And that's really the heartbeat of this machine. The things you already know and love about the John Deere Backhoe. That's going to be the engine, the transmission, the hydraulic systems, all of those components that give you that performance, reliability, and durability that you already trust. Now to what is changing. It's really this entire cab. We've completely redesigned it top to bottom, based entirely on operator feedback. We've been working on this for several years. We've had many iterations, a lot of operators in this seat, and we're really excited about where we've landed. We've got three main areas that you're gonna see these improvements. That's going to be overall operator comfort, visibility, and the controls. Starting with the overall comfort, the cab itself is wider. We also redesigned the storage console, and we've got a new seat in there. What that's going to give you is, from the center of the seat to the left-hand storage console, about 5 more inches. That's gonna give you more room for your legs as you transition from front to rear facing and back. Moving on to visibility, on each side of the machine, we've gone from 2 posts to just 1. So you've got fewer obstructions from looking around your job site. We also changed the window in the back. So instead of the panes of glass sliding down and ending up between the operator and the trench, we've got that excavator-style door. So you've got your 2 panes of glass that are gonna go up overhead. They're gonna be out of the way, they're gonna stay cleaner, and they're not gonna get as much damage. Finally, we have an optional camera system. That's industry exclusive, factory installed rear view system. We've got 2 cameras on the back of the machine, 1 on each upper corner, and a dedicated monitor for the operator. That's a touchscreen display, so you can look at either the left side, the right side, or stitch those views together so that you're getting a nice wide view of everything behind you. Finally, the controls. We completely redesigned all the controls and moved a lot of them. The loader grip is brand new. We moved to that hand on top type style, so it's gonna be really easy to rest your hand. You're not holding any strange angles. It's gonna be really ergonomically friendly. We also moved all of the controls that used to be on the lower right-hand console up that new single right-hand side post. That means they're easy to see as you're keeping that heads-up job site awareness. They're also easy to reach. Bottom line, we've got this awesome modern new cab that we're really excited for you to get into, but we didn't lose a lot of things you already love about the Backhoe.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.